Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and in this video I'm going to be telling you all the information I've learned by growing the Fantasia Nectarine. So right here in front of me is a grafted Fantasia Nectarine to my multi-budded fruit tree, which has 4 varieties of different stone fruit. Now I'm going to begin this video showing you the issues I've had with this Fantasia Nectarine variety. One issue I've had is that this is the second least vigorous stone fruit in this 4 budded multi-fruit tree. Another issue is, as you can see with all these markings on the nectarine fruit, that was a colony of Japanese beetles just biting the skin over and over and over and over. You can see up here. The other fruits on this tree don't have these markings. Another issue I've had with this tree is the leaf-footed beetle, or the leaf-footed bug, that goes around and sucks sap out of the fruit, making the fruit drop prematurely. Another issue is of all the 4 varieties on this one tree, this one gets sickly the most, I've noticed. The leaves will become yellow or will have red spots, and every other variety will not have the same symptoms. Now let me tell you what I like about this variety. This, in my opinion, is the best tasting nectarine. It is delicious and the crunchiest variety of nectarine I've ever tasted. It's a great balance of acid and sugar. Also, the Fantasia Nectarine doesn't really have much fruit drop, so if the flowers get pollinated, the fruit stays on till when you're ready to pick them. It's really nice, unless of course the insects attack the fruit. Fantasia Nectarine, a great addition to your garden as long as you could take care of it and pay more close attention to it. Happy gardening, everyone.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching, everyone.